Welcome back sa Kwentong Musika, and of course, this is Ariel once again. Today, I'm gonna show you how to connect properly this Akai MPK MIDI keyboard na nabili natin kamakailan lang, no? We're going to connect this one to our Android phone. As you know, ang Akai MPK Mini ay isa sa mga MIDI keyboard na budget-friendly at madaling gawin. Kung gusto mong gumawa ng kanta, gusto mong gumawa ng beat, gusto mong gumawa ng complete song sa inyong sarili. You can use phone or you can use a laptop as well. Now today, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step procedure on how to connect this MIDI keyboard doon sa ating phone. And of course, we're going to use BandLab as our recording software. Okay, ito yung mga gamit na kailangan natin. Itong ating OTG cable, OTG adapter, may cellphone tayo, and of course, our MIDI keyboard na MPK Mini 3 or kahit anong MIDI keyboard meron kayo. Pwede kaibigan. We also have our USB to USB-B cable para sa ating Akai MPK Mini keyboard. Ang gagawin lang natin ay isasak natin dito sa kanyang port na USB para makonect natin doon sa ating OTG adapter. Next, itong USB ay ilalagay natin dito yung OTG adapter natin. Afterwards, is ilalagay na natin dito sa ating phone. As simple as that, mga kaibigan. Next to it is i-open natin yung settings ng phone. Hahanapin natin yung additional settings at OTG connection. Napaka-importante ito, kaibigan, para gumana yung ating MIDI keyboard. And then, let's go to BandLab, our software. Antayin lang natin, mga kaibigan, kailangan to ng internet connection. Dito makikita natin na kung ano yung pinipindot natin, yun din yung nagre-response doon sa ating BandLab application. Ayan. D octave. So very responsive yung BandLab, kaibigan, doon sa ating MIDI keyboard. Ibig sabihin, ito ay gumagana. Okay, ayun na nga. So nakikita natin na talagang gumagana ang ating Akai MIDI keyboard. I hope you like it. Hopefully nakapagbigay ito ng kumpletong impormasyon kung papaano i-connect ang ating MIDI keyboard doon sa ating phone. Happy recording, everyone!